Where are we going to take the kids on vacation? Epcot's boring, and Disney's so been there, done that.
Have you thought about Transylvania?
Transylvania? Isn't that a little expensive?
Ormsby here for the Transylvanian Tourist Board. Transylvania is cheaper than you think. Come with me to Transylvania. You'll like it there. Wah! Come visit our decaying mountains. See the natural beauty of our wildlife. Here in Transylvania, we don't accidentally spill oil into our water. We do it on purpose. Visit our 5-star rated hotels. And take in our nightlife. Dine on locals. I mean, dine on our local cuisine. For you music theater fans, we have the original Phantom playing nightly. You may even get to meet the royal family. You'll love Transylvania. You'll love it so much you may never leave. Mwah-ah-ah-ah-ah.